All right. Oh, good. All right. Oh, Jesus. I got some goodies. I got the PVC silicone kit for the G35. The power of the internet gives me the strength. So I got the cutter. This is the one right here. Smell a new rubber. Wait a minute, that sounded weird. But yeah, look, Z1 Motorsports, and this replaces this. I mean, just look at it. You could just, I mean, it's just 20 something years. This is brand new, but it was time to change it. I mean, just look at it, smell it, lick it. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside. So this one is the valve cover to valve cover one, which is this one right here. It's pretty cool, I'd say. Have the Z1 stuff. I like it. All right, so the next one is the one that sticks out from the valve cover to the plenum. I got them all on black gloss because I don't like Jim Page that has a lot of colors and stuff. That's 3 right there. Z1 Motorsports send me some goodies because I asked for it. So they gave me the Z1 Motorsports decal stickers right here. I got 2 of them from both sides. And then they gave me the window sticker one, I think. They got 2 of them from both sides. This is green, this is red. Most likely I'll use the red, not the green, because green is nowhere to be found on my car. These are the window ones. And these actually are the solenoids gaskets. Nobody carries this thing. I got them from Z1 Motorsports because I saw that they have it and I already ordered from them, so I just called in to add these 2 to my order and they did it. That was pretty cool of them. That way I avoid 2 shipping costs. You gotta use the noggin, people. Gotta use the noggin. This is the actual giveaway. I actually entered this giveaway without me knowing because I bought all of this stuff. And because this is Z1 Motorsports products, I get like a booster or something. Imagine if I win the Z by just getting the hoses. I would be like a second bit distinct. Just to get the card on, I went to the junkyard, I found some G's. All of them, when I took out these hoses, they broke immediately. So if it's working, don't touch it. But if you take it out, best believe you're gonna have to replace it. But yeah, these are the goodies that I got from Z1 Motorsports. I wanna thank Z1 Motorsports. Oh, Jesus. Thank Z1 Motorsports for giving me these extra goodies. Pretty excited. Let's continue on with the build and let's start rebuilding stuff.